Would you like to learn how to heal from chronic pain? What if you could have a step by step program to help you to heal? A course based on modern pain science that gives you specific, actionable techniques to ignite your healing abilities. What if you could access exercise to help reprogram how your brain and your nervous system respond to pain? I created this group to make holistic healing, accountability, and coaching available to everyone who wants to improve their health and take their power back. I am excited to guide you on your path to healing. We are confident that the tools you learn inside the Be Health Academy program will help you. Let me show you how to heal from chronic pain, take control of your health, and get your life back.